home capital,
Uh-huh.
PWD, all those things. Yeah, those things.
No,
Variable and
declaring, I mean like export in dot bash RC file, when you export, we should get the variables, right? That is not working out. I'm not sure. I have checked it yesterday also. When you go, I mean, when you search in Google also, they are saying the same thing, export like this and then print the value, something like this they are saying. Let me try it out. We'll see. Okay, let me open this file here, vi and the dot bash. Else what I will do, let me use it as a normal user, maybe that thing will, okay. What I will say is vi dot bash rc, okay. Okay, this is the one, and then I will set here where, okay, I'll just set here. Let me insert, okay, export, export, spelling is correct, right? Exp what? Let me copy this one. We'll see whether it is going to work out. Okay. So what I will say here, variable is equals to, I'll just give you a Linux. So what is this spelling wrong? Do you know who is this person? Linus Torvald. You are BA.
power of Linux.
Yeah, he's Linux. Let me save this one. Now he's telling to use echo variable. Okay, we have tried that one only. We are getting error. So dollar VAR. See, we are not getting anything. Why? We are doing the same thing. What he's doing, right? In order to display your environment, you have to precede the variable with the dollar sign. We have done it. Not sure why it is not working. Set environment variables in bash. Okay, what we'll check with the other one. Basically, it should work out, but why it is not a bash or file? It is. Oh, I think we should restart the terminal. Maybe that thing. We'll just try that one. Duplicate session I will open. Okay, let me see now. Echo dollar. Yes, perfect. Sorry. That is the thing. We need to restart the terminal. Now you are getting right. Hello?
Yeah, that's strange.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we need to restart the terminal. Even the same thing for what is that? This thing is called user scope. Okay. Declaring any variables in dot bash rc. Let me close this one. Declaring anything in dot bash rc file is called what is that thing is called user scope. And then if you want to, like, for every user, if you want to assign certain values, then you should, where you should declare, you need to declare, just give me 1 minute, I'll show. Sudo /etc/profile. If you declare anything here, it will be available for entire sudo
User.
what sudo command, which is a profile not found. I think I have given wrong spelling. Sudo. I should open the file, right? Let me check whether nano and then /etc/profile. Okay. Now you can declare your same thing. Like if you declare anything here, what happens is it will be available for entire this system. Export same thing, export name equal to, and then give double quotations here, will give overall. Let me save this one. Okay, now again we need to restart the terminal. Okay. 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 Let me clear the screen. Now I will say echo and then double quotations. What is the variable name we have given? Dollar name, right? Sorry. Still it is, I think we should restart this terminal. Then it is going to, I have opened the deep duplicate session, right? If you restart, then it is going to come. Restart option is not available. Once if I use new session, again I need to
reset terminal. Down, reset terminal.
okay. Reset terminal is different thing and restart is different thing, right? Okay, anyway, if you restart the terminal, it is going to come. Okay, don't there is nothing to, I mean, like think on that and break our heads. Okay. Nothing, it is going to work out.
Yeah, just go to inside the ls/etc/profile /etc.
Okay.
Is that user created, or I just want to know /profile?
We have created inside that one, right? Inside this profile file we have created. What we, if you want to see what we can do is slash, I should be root user, sudo /etc/profile. What it is saying, sudo / command not found. I should, one second, sudo cat /etc/profile. Where is that? See here, we have given here, export this one. Okay. It is definitely going to work out when you restart the terminal. Okay. I mean, you should close this terminal and open again, then you are going to get that. Okay. That is yesterday we have missed this one, right? We were getting some kind of error. Is this one? Okay. That is like variable shell variables. That concept is called shell variables. Again, we have discussed what is the next one? Variable substitution and command substitution. I have discussed it, right? There is I want to discuss one example. Just okay. I'll just clear the screen. This is the example I want to discuss. You are able to see the these letters, right? You want me to change settings? I'll just change the color so that it will be good, and then you will be able to see it easily. I'll just apply this color. Okay, and then I will change the font size as well. Change to 14. Yeah. Now you are able to see this screen, right? Okay. Suppose like I want to get my current working directory like this echo. You just I mean, like you need to answer my the thing, my current working directory. Okay, you should get the current working directory. How you can do that?
$pwd.
$pwd. Is it going to work out? $pwd.
See, there is a comma also we need to put inside the pwd. $pwd. Double quote.
Double quote is all available here, right, at the end.
Yeah, but we need to specify, or curly bracket.
Curly bracket here. This one you are telling about.
Yeah, then try.
No, it is going to fail. Command substitution, this is called command substitution, right? What you need to give here, command substitution is always done with these brackets.
Mhm.
Just give enter. Now you are going to get /home/aged user. Suppose you don't want to use this curly braces. If you want to, there is another way you can do it with this tilt symbol, tick symbol. This symbol is called tick symbol. Now just enter. You are going to get this one. This is called command substitution.
Mhm.
You are telling this one is right. This is to get the variable assigned. Okay. You understood, right? This one, suppose like if you declare a equal to 10 and then enter. Now if you want to get that value, echo and then a value is and then if you want to get the a value, what you can do is dollar, you can go for this curly braces and then give a, you are going to get the a value. Else what you can do is, if you don't want to use this curly braces, just remove this curly braces and just click enter, you are going to get this. This is, I mean, like you can assign a value, and if you want to get the value, then you need to go for curly braces. And if you want to do command substitution, you need to use this parenthesis or else tick symbol. Okay. That is yesterday's class. Have given a brief revision. Okay. In today's class, we'll discuss about command line arguments and then how to read a dynamic data. Okay, 2 topics we need to complete it today. Let me open the OneNote where we have discussed everything. Okay, read dynamic data, how to command line arguments. Okay, command line arguments. What do we mean by command line arguments? Okay, the arguments which are passed, okay, at the time of execution, which are passed from the command prompt at the time of executing our script are called command line arguments. Okay, the arguments which are passed at the time of executing our script through command prompt is called command line arguments. Okay, this is a definition of command line arguments. Okay, suppose what did you understand by this statement? Suppose like now I'm just writing like this. I'm not passing any arguments, just I'm suppose like let me create a directory here, mkdir, and then scripts. I will create some scripts. Okay, let me go to that scripts. Okay, now I'm inside scripts. I'll just clear the screen. Okay, now I will create suppose like there is a already file is available like this test.sh file is available here. Now if I run this one, we'll be getting the output that is called hard coding values. Now if I pass the arguments like this Linux is very easy, like this, something I pass something like this, then this Linux is very easy. These things are there, right? These are called command line arguments. At the time of executing our script, we are passing the commands. I mean, like we are passing the we can say like arguments. This is called command line arguments. Okay. Inside script, we can access command line arguments as follows. Okay, there are few things available to access the command line arguments. First one is $#. Okay, what is the purpose of this $# is number of arguments it is going to give. Number of arguments it is going to give. Okay, suppose here we have passed the Linux is very easy, right? How many arguments we have passed? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 arguments, it will give the answer like 4. Okay. Next one is $0. What is the purpose of $0? $0 is script name it is going to give. Script name it is going to give the script name. Next one is $1. What it is going to give? First argument. $2 is second, like similar. First argument and then first ARJ will give. $2 is second argument, $3 is third argument, $4 is fourth argument, $5 is fifth argument, like that is it is going to give. And then there is something dollar star. What it does? Tell me, dollar star.
Everything.
Yes, all arguments. Okay, all arguments it is going to give. Next one is $@. $@ is also what it does is all arguments, but there is slight difference will be there. I'll explain the difference. And then $question mark. Dollar, there is a question mark. What it does is represents exit code of previous exit command. Okay, if the command whatever we have ran, it is successful, then it is going to exit code, we can say. Represents exit code of previously executed command or script. Okay, this is the purpose of $question mark. These are the few things. Now what we'll do is we'll see the practical things. What I will say is just I will create nano test.sh. Okay, test.sh, just click enter. Now I will run the command. First, what is the thing we need to do? Bin bash. Perfect, just click enter. Echo, what is the thing? Number of arguments, and then give like this. What is the thing we need to use? $.
$#.
Yes, perfect. Next, again, echo. I will say first argument, script name will see script name, and then what we are going to give? $. What is the thing we need to give for script name? $0. Next, echo first
Argument.
First, I'll just type ARG. Why to waste our time for this? $1. Again, second argument, if you want, you can give echo. One second. Echo second ARG $2. If you want third argument, you can give same thing. 2 arguments is enough. And then what I will say, total arguments if you want to get echo total ARG. What is the thing we need to use? $.
$#.
$# is to get the number of arguments, right? Again, if you want to use again the same thing, like total arguments, total ARG, and then you like this. What is the thing you need to use? $. Yes, perfect. $. Okay, this is enough. Now just save this file. This is nano. Okay. Now I didn't set that. I'll just give bash and then test.sh. Test.sh will get error. But oh no, it is perfect. See how many arguments are there? Did we pass any arguments? No arguments, nothing. Now let me do again. Linux is very easy, okay, to learn. How many arguments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arguments are there. We need to get 6. 6 arguments perfect. Name of the script is perfect. First argument is Linux. This is Linux. Total arguments. Everything is working as expected. Okay. Okay, that is how we can use command line arguments. Okay, next one is a difference between a dollar, these two. Difference between $@ and $. Okay, $@ what it does is all command line arguments with the space separator. Okay, $@ it is going to give, what it does is all command line arguments with space separator. All command line arguments with space separator. It is going to give space separator. Okay, whereas suppose like this $1, $2, $3, like it is going to $* all command line arguments as a single string. Okay, suppose basically, for example, what it does is like $1 like this, and then double quotation like this. It does like this, and then one string is completed. Next, it is going to give second one $2, sorry, $2 like this with a space separator. There is space in between the command line arguments here, like this. First, it is going to Linux like this, simple thing like this. It is giving right here. It is giving here $@ like Linux, and then this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. But whereas when you use $*, what it does is it is going to give simple way like this. $*, what it does is nothing, no space. It is not going to there is no space separator, nothing. It is going to give entire string like this. Entire string like this. $1 next, sorry, $1 next, $2 next, $3 like this. It is going to, but you are able to see spaces here, but it doesn't mean that there is space like that. It is going to consider that entire thing as a string, because we have given space here, right? Let me show you that thing. As if I remove space here, and then if I give, you will be able to understand it. If I remove, it is going to consider entire string. Maybe I think even the last one is also considering entire thing as like this. What we can do, we can use different spaces as well. What we can set, we can set the value. We can set the value. See, suppose I'll clear the screen to check the default separator. There is a command separator is called IFS, internal field separator. That is the meaning. What I can see is set. This is the command to get the default separator, grep, and then double quotations, and then IFS. Just click enter. See, now if you come down here, you will be able to see it. You will be able to see the separator IFS. See here, this is the one. This is the one separator. It is a space one. Okay. If you want to change this one, you can change it. I will run with the script by changing it. Okay. Same script. I'll open the same script, and then now we'll just set the value. Okay. Now, okay. At the top, what we'll do is we'll set the IFS. Just click enter. Now you want to set IFS. Just give capital IFS, and then equal to, and then like this, double quotations, and then now you want to use hyphen. Okay, this default space separator should be like that. Just click enter. Now give bash 1 second, bash test.sh, and then same thing like learning Linux is very easy. Just click enter. Now you will see the difference. See here you are getting this operator, we have used a dollar at the rate here, whereas we have used dollar star here. There is a difference, right? That is a difference between dollar at the rate and dollar star. The main purpose of command line argument is to customize behavior of the script. Okay. If you want to change the behavior of the script, then it is going to work out. I'll just run again another program, Nano. This is an example program. We can say Nano. What I would say, first .sh I will say. Just like I told the thing, right? The main purpose of command line argument is to customize behavior of the script. I told. For that, I'm giving an example here. Win bash. Okay. And then L, or I will say L equal to let me instead of doing this like this, for your easy understanding, what I will do, echo and then quotations here. If I give this one, what you will get? What is the output here?
Display Joby.
Perfect. Echo Joby you will get. Now I want to get number of characters here. What is the command?
WC.
WC -C. Okay. We will be getting the
character, number of character.
That is 4 will be getting. Now I want to substitute this command to certain variable. I want to assign. How you can do that?
Assign
command substitution. Just give the parenthesis here, parenthesis again here, and then give a value here equal to, suppose like I want to give for L. Now this entire results will be saved to L. I mean like assigned to L. That is called command substitution. Okay. Now come here and then you want to get the length of the string. How you can do? Echo the length of the string is, tell me what I should give here.
$L.
Dollar curly braces. You can always prefer curly braces instead of nothing. Okay. Now just save this file and then bash first.sh syntax error near Joby. I think I didn't give the space there. Just give space here. Just save it. Just run it again. Oh, what it is saying? Oh, tell me what is the error there? Tell me. First, what is the command substitution? We need to give dollar here, right? You forgot to tell me that thing. Okay. I'll just clear the screen first. See, the length of the string is 5. JOBY 5. Okay. But it is only, sorry.
It's 4 characters, JOBY, but it's 5.
JOBY 4 only, right? But why it is giving 5? Anything we have done wrong here? JOBY. Perfect. It should give only 4, right? Why it is giving? Let me change the name. Let me change the name to, maybe it is taking the space. Might be it is taking the space. Else not, I will say. I will give line. array we have given here L. Okay, perfect. 1 second. Yes, so why it is giving 5? Tell me. Again, how many letters are there? 4 only, right? But why it is giving 5? There are only 4 letters available here, but why it is giving 5 is, I mean, like space is also included here. Okay, if you don't want to allow the space, what you can do is here, just come down here, space is included, right? New line or something like that. Just give hyphen, sorry, just give hyphen n. Okay, now save this file. Now you are going to get the thing. Now run it again. Now C4. Okay, you should use hyphen n. Okay, now with this thing, what is the default by using this thing? Okay, what we can do is we can only run this file for only the lion. I mean, like whatever we have defined it here in this first data set, only for this word we will be getting the number of characters. Suppose your requirement is this is like, this is a, I mean, like you cannot change, you cannot the script is okay and then everything is fine, but you can only run that script for only that lion folder. Using this command line arguments, we can run it for everything. Okay, how we can do that is like, so how we can do that, tell me. Using command line argument, just come to the same script here. Instead of here using this lion, what we can do is, tell me command line arguments I need to pass. What you can pass? $1 argument you want to pass. Okay, perfect. This is going to, let me give here, let me change this one to length. I will say length. I will give instead of L, Len, and then here I am going to call this variable Len. Just save this one. Okay. Now if I run, now I'm trying to pass Kiran, name of Kiran. Oh, shit, I need to use bash here. Same script we can use for any word, name it anything. Like, see, you are going to get the length. Now I want to pass it for your name, like Joby. I'm trying to pass any name it any name, like I want to pass it like, tell me any name. I will say Virat. How many letters? 5 letters. I will say Dhoni. See, same code, there is a flexibility, right? If you use this command line arguments.
How about
Okay.
letter, numbers?
Anything you can give. Capital letter you want to give. Perfect. I'll give capital letter. Anything is okay. Okay. This script will work for any string provided at the command prompt. That is the advantage when you use command line arguments. Okay. Okay, and then total length. Shivan, what you can do is, if you don't pass any arguments here, if you, I am not passing any argument, just move like this. See the command line. Now, suppose you want to pass anything you can pass, you are going to get. See, suppose like I'm passing some random variable. What is the count?
1.
1.
Because without space, right?
Characters, right? I'm talking about the characters. Like yes, 180 is the characters. Okay. This script is going to work out for anything. Okay. Next one is write a script to create log file with the timestamp. This is a thing. How you can do that? Write a script. 1 second. I will open again another file. Just what I will say. Let me see how many files are present. LS. There are only. Let me write everything in test.sh only. Why do nano test.sh? Perfect. Okay. I'm going to change this. I'm going to delete these lines. Now my requirement is to create a file, log file with a timestamp. That is my requirement. What I will say, timestamp equal to, tell me what is the you want to get the timestamp. What is the command you need to use? Else, instead of doing like this for your easy understanding, what is the command we need to use? Tell me.
For creating file first, right? For
Not
creating
file. File with the date stamp. Sorry, file with the timestamp.
timestamp.
Simple thing. Date command we can use, right? Date
Yeah,
and then space plus percentage. Where is percentage here? Percentage D
date.
underscore. Next one, percentage month. Month. In timestamp, date will be there, month will be there, year will be there, hour will be there, minute will be there, seconds will be there, right? Suppose like if you are, like if you have any files, this is small m,
Yeah.
and then percentage,
Y.
percentage, capital Y, I'll just give capital Y. Even you can give Y as well. Underscore percentage hour underscore percentage
Minute.
minute
M.
underscore percentage second. Oh, this is the command. Okay. Now this like this you need to give parenthesis. Why we are giving the parenthesis here? We are doing command substitution. Before that, give dollar. Now you are assigning this result to certain variable. Which variable we are using here? Timestamp. Timestamp. Like this. Okay. Now echo. Sorry.
Dollar.
Echo. This
Dollar.
date. No, something here. Script is this.
File is created.
Data to log file. This is a data to log file. We are creating a data. We are giving the data. We are trying to, what we are trying to do is redirecting. Where we are redirecting, we want to redirect to this file. How you can do that?
Error, right? Double quote.
This one, this is the data we are trying to redirect to this this file. How you can do is just give dollar and then like this. Like this dollar, this variable we need to call, right? Timestamp. And then here we need to give dot log file. It is log file, right? That is why we are giving like this. Okay. This is perfect. And again, I want to add extra data. Echo. This is extra data to log file. Okay. Quotations is fine. How to redirect? Like this, and then same thing. You want to redirect to here, right? Just give dollar parenthesis, come here. See, when I give the variable, the color is changing here. Okay. Long dot. Okay. Okay, this is done. Now you want to append the date, right? Date. And then this parenthesis, and then what is the thing you need to use? Like this, parenthesis. Timestamp. So log file, log is fine. And then echo. Sorry, I need to give space here. Echo dollar timestamp. You'll understand what we have done when we get the result. Okay. Timestamp dot log. Okay. And then what we can do is final echo data written successfully. Like this, just save this file. Now run this file bash test.sh. The data written successfully. Okay, now I'll just give ls-ltr. See, the file has been created with the date stamp. Suppose I'll run the file again. I'll run the script again. Now the data has been written successfully. Now again another file will be created. See, first file has been created at this time. Second file. Now again I'll run. Again I will run. See, again I will see. See, third file has been created. Okay, that is how you are going to use that script. Okay, this is all about what is that? What we are discussing now? Command line arguments. This is all about command line arguments. Okay. Do you want me to continue for read how to read dynamic data, or shall we connect tomorrow?
Yeah, actually, I'm tired too.
Yeah, I think it is like 11 or something like that, right? Time.
Yeah, 11:43.
Yeah. Okay. Then we'll continue tomorrow. We'll discuss about how to read a dynamic data. What we'll do is like first 10 minutes we'll try to recall or revise whatever we have done, and then tomorrow we'll complete this read how to read dynamic data. After dynamic data, what is there? 1 second. After dynamic data, maybe control statements is no, not control statements. After dynamic data, operators. Do you know what are the operators? Mathematical operator, relational operators, logical operator, assignment operator. This thing it is going to take so much of time. And then control statements. There are 8 control statements: if, case, while, for loop, until loop, break loop, continue. Once that is done, then almost it is going to complete. Only control statement is very big topic.
Okay.
I thought I could have completed how to read a dynamic data, but no problem. We'll connect tomorrow. Okay. Try to revise everything. If you don't revise, you'll forget everything. Commands,
Yeah.
how to do command substitution, how to do variable substitution. All these things you need to revise every day. Then only you will understand. Else you will forget. Okay.
Yeah. I'm doing
Once we complete that, what is that control statements, then I think now is it interesting, this shell scripting?
Same. Once we get that, then it is really good. Only thing is first time, first time when we learn, it's a little bit tough, but once we get that, then it becomes easy.
Yeah, I think till now, I think I have explained you like 4 or 5 programs, 4 or 5 simple command, simple shell scripting command. I mean, like programs. Maybe we should not tell that program scripts we can see. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, then we'll meet again tomorrow. Bye. Thanks for joining.
Yeah. What about the Zoom link? Is this the same link or the older
link?
link?
It will be same link. I think he has changed. I will check with that Shanmukh, and then I will get back to you.
Okay.
I'll ping you. Don't worry about that. I'll ping you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Good night.